Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Asus ROG phone against the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 845 CPU, however it is clocked a little higher on the Asus ROG phone. They both have 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. The ROG phone is on X mode. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the ROG phone finished first, and overall it scored higher. Now looking at the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 8 Pro scored higher on the CPU, just a little lower on the GPU, and again the Mi 8 Pro scored a little higher on the UX, but on the memory the ROG phone scored a lot higher. That wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.